Do you know some English but still have trouble expressing yourself in social situations? If yes, then this is the right podcast for you to improve your daily English conversation skills. This podcast presents a lot of useful phrases and sentences you would never think of unless you come across them. It contains plenty of common corrections used by native English speakers in everyday life. It covers topics such as meeting new people and making small talk, dating and visiting friends, eating out, emergencies, situations and doctor's appointments, car and flat rental, staying in hotels and traveling by air, shopping and much more. As always, I'll be playing the characters. All you have to do now is to sit back and enjoy your listening. Have you ever been in a situation where you struggle to articulate your need for help? Effective communication is crucial in emergencies situations. Knowing the right phrases can literally save lives. In this podcast, we are going to explore some essential dialogues that can help you get help when you need it most. So put on your headphones and let's get started. We've all been there, stuck in a situation where we desperately need assistance, but our words fail us. Maybe you're traveling abroad and get lost in a foreign land, or perhaps you're witnessing an accident and need to call for help. The fear and panic can overwhelm us, making it even harder to express our needs. How many times have you seen people struggling to articulate their request for help during emergencies? It's heartbreaking to watch, especially when a few simple words could make all the difference. Unfortunately, this happens more often than we think. People freeze, panic, or simply don't know what to say, putting themselves and others at risk. Road accidents, medical emergencies, natural disasters, the scenarios are endless. What can we do to prepare ourselves for these unexpected events? That's what we're going to tackle today. Imagine being in a car accident and needing to explain your location and injuries to the emergencies services. What do you say when you're in pain and can't think straight? How about when you're trying to describe a medical condition to a doctor who doesn't speak your language? Or when you're stuck in a natural disaster and need to call for rescue? Having the right phrases up your sleeves can be a lifesaver. Let's go through some scenarios and explore the essential dialogues you need to know. Medical emergency. Hello? I need an ambulance immediately. My friend just collapsed.
Don't worry, calm down. Can you tell me your location, please?
We are at 23 Maple Street, apartment 2B.
Okay. Is your friend breathing?
Yes, but it's really shallow.
Okay, can you just put them on their back and tilt their head slightly? Can you do that?
Yeah, okay, done.
Don't worry, an ambulance is on the way. Stay on the line with me, please.
Fire emergency. Fire! Fire! Get out! We need to get out! Did you call the fire department? No, not yet. Hello? Yes, my house is on fire. Can you please...
Calm down. What's the address?
It's 45 Oak Lane. The fire is spreading fast. Please come. Oh my God. Hello?
Help is on the way. Get everyone out immediately.
Okay, we're getting out now. A car accident. Hello? I need help. There's been a car crash on Highway 9. Few people are hurt.
All right. Are you or anyone else injured?
One person is unconscious. I'm okay, but the other is bleeding badly.
All right. Can you please provide the exact location?
Hold on. It's near exit 15, heading south.
All right. Where we meet, an ambulance and police are on their way. Try not to move the injured person unless they are in danger.
Okay. Just do it fast. Oh my God. Natural disaster, earthquake. Mommy, everything is shaking. Oh, Mommy, Mom. Quick, get under the table. All of you, come on. Mom. Oh, Mommy. When will it stop? I don't know, honey. Hold on. Just stay down, okay, baby? Hello? Is everyone okay in there? Who is it? Ethan! We're okay. We're okay. Just fine. But the door is blocked. Don't worry, Sharon. I'll call the help. Hang out. Hang tight. Everything will be okay. Missing child. Officer, please help me. My son is missing. Okay, ma'am. Calm down, ma'am. When did you last see him? Well, um, about 30 minutes ago at the playground. Right. Can you describe him? Yes. He's 5 years old, wearing a red shirt and blue shorts. Okay, don't worry. John, can you hear me, please? John, can you hear me? Don't worry, we'll start researching right away. Please stay here in case he comes back. Wow, something smells like gas. Wow, it's real bad. Quick, turn off the stove. Oh, well, the stove is off, but the smell is still there. What do we do? I think we need to call the emergency services. Okay, let's dial them. Hello? We have a gas leak at 89 Kedar Street. Please send someone quickly.
Okay, open all the windows and get outside immediately.
Oh God. Okay, we're heading out now. Thank you. Lost in the wilderness. Hello? Can anyone hear me? I'm lost.
We can hear you. Can you describe your surroundings, please?
I'm near some rocks and a river. I think I wandered off the trail.
Stay where you are. We're tracking your phone signal.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Help is on the way. Stay calm and don't move.
Active terror situation. Hot doors locked. Yes. Stay low and stay quiet, please. I'm scared. I know, me too. But we're going to be okay. Just stay with me, okay? The police are here. We'll wait for their signal. Flood emergency. Oh my god! Oh my god, the water is coming into the house! We need to get the higher ground, come on! I'm calling the emergency services now! Hello? The water is flooding our street.
Is anyone trapped?
No, but the water is really rising fast.
Okay, evacuate immediately. Rescue teams are on the way.
Jim, come on, let's go now! Hi there, listeners. In these situations, staying calm and using the right words can help prevent panic and ensure a smooth evacuation. Having the confidence to express your concerns can make all the difference. So now let's have a look at these emergency phrases. Asking for help. Help! Somebody help! Can anyone help? Please help me! Help! Help me! I'm here! Warning someone of danger. Look out! Watch out! Be careful! Fire! Can you smell burning? There's a fire. The building's on fire. Hurry! Call, find an ambulance, the police, the fire brigade. Stop! Thief! There's been a theft, a burglary. Call the police. Oh, I've been mugged. I've been attacked. I've been hit. I've been shot. I'd like to report a theft. I'd like to report a stolen briefcase. My handbag, my wallet, my purse, my laptop, my phone's been stolen. Oh, something has been stolen. My car, my house, my apartment's been broken into. Comforting someone. Calm down. Don't worry. Take it easy now. It's gonna be fine. Okay? It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be good soon. It won't hurt. I've got a steady hand. Medical emergencies. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. There's been an accident. Please hurry. He's not breathing. Does anyone know how to do CPR? I've burned myself. I'm having trouble breathing. I can't breathe. I can't see. I'm choking. My eyes are stinging. I've been hurt. I've been injured. Are you okay? Is everyone okay? Other difficult situation. I'm lost. We're lost. We don't know where we are. We've forgotten where we are staying. I've forgotten the name of my hotel. I've lost my wallet. I've lost my purse. I've lost my camera. I've been stuck. I've been locked inside. Gosh, I can't find my keys. I can't find my passport. I can't find my phone. Leave me alone, please. Go away. I'm starving. So thirsty. So tired. I'm so exhausted. To recap, today we've explored some essential dialogues for various emergencies, from medical emergencies to natural disasters. Knowing the right phrases can save lives, so remember, communication is key in crisis. Don't let panic or fear silence you when you need help the most. Right, guys, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know if you have ever been in a situation where you struggle to articulate your need for help. Thanks for listening to Look and Listen English Lessons podcast. To continue improving your English, you are welcome to join my channel and watch the videos on different topics and levels. Till next time, bye bye.